this is Evewin Lakra. So today is 9th September 2022. Today is Friday. So what I was thinking that many people are getting killed by the bad road design, one-way roads, dividers. दिख रहा है इधर वन वे देख लो सर्किट हाउस का रोड पहले कितना अच्छा था, अभी वन वे हो गया तो दिखावा वाला दिख रहा है, लेकिन यहाँ पे नैरो हो गया है रोड। ओवरटेक करने के लिए प्रॉब्लम होगा बड़ा गाड़ी को, मोड़ने का क्रॉसिंग बंद है। पहले अच्छा था, सिंगल में अप एंड डाउन होता था बिना रेलिंग का। अभी ऐसा दिखावा वाला रोड है, ये सब दिखावा वाला रोड ना नैरो हो जाता, वन वे में नैरो हो गया। सीधा कर, सीधा साइड इस तरफ दिखा। जब ग्रिल लगाने से और एक्सीडेंट होगा, बहुत एक्सीडेंट होगा सब।
देखो कैसे काम में लगाया है, लेकिन
मेट्रो सिटी का प्रॉब्लम को अच्छा खासा जमशेदपुर जैसे सिटी में ले आया है। सो इन द अपकमिंग डेज आई विल बी मेकिंग सीरीज of episodes or series of videos regarding how the government and the authorities are planning bad design roads, especially the one-way roads and dividers they are putting on the roads. And because of those foolish things, many innocent people are losing their lives and getting injured by accidents. No one will tell you that this mode of development is actually a destruction for the society, because it's killing people. And yeah, I'll explain you everything regarding why one-way roads is not a wise decision and why divider is also a very bad decision for the vehicles. So yeah, I'll try to make the videos in Hindi as well as in English so that most of the viewers will understand what's going on currently, especially in India and especially in the 2-dash states like Jamshedpur, where they are closing all the shortcuts of the road. They are bringing the bad road designs of the metro cities. They are bringing the cage style design of roads. They are dividing the roads with the help of iron cage, iron bars, so that more accidents will happen. They'll tell you that it's because they are doing for your safety, but as the number suggests and as you can check the website of any agencies, any official authorized agencies, that the number of accidents are increasing because of all this dumbness of the government and all the dumbness of the transport department of transport sector, which is planning all this foolish road design and dividers to narrow your road. And they are saying they are making 4-lane road, 6-lane road, all this foolish thing. We don't need all this thing. If you design broader road with mud, mitti, soil on both the sides, the rainwater will get soaked in the soil. And what they are doing, they are covering the soil with pebbles block. They are saying it's actually concrete blocks and which doesn't soak water well, and they are hiding all the soils with cement and all the foolish things they are doing, and they are painting the walls with greenery. Actually they are destroying the environment and the nature. So these kind of foolish things are responsible for the flood you see on the metro city like Bangalore. Recently, and all the cities will face similar kind of tragedy. And yeah, if they design, the design is same, they are following all the dumbness. So yeah, in the coming days I'll be explaining you all the foolishness of these government, which the bad designs of road, and I'll also give you some tips to save your life. Okay, so stay tuned to my YouTube channel for my future videos, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's free and you'll learn plenty of things, especially regarding your bike riding and car driving. Okay, so this is Evewin Lakra saying peace to all and enjoy your day.